That is so cute. Look at that. It's got a little Charlie Brown tree on that. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. It's just so cute. Puppy's in a car. That's just cute. Just so cute. And just so cute. Hey, guys. Looking cute. Looking cute. Hey, Eva, you did a good job with the tree. It's cute. You guys gonna decorate soon? The reindeer is so cute. Oh, that Snoopy is so cute. It's so cute. And a little lolly. And I don't know, that weird bunny lady thing with the... You're not wearing pants, bunny lady. But still, she's so cute. Look at these cute things. That is so cute. And when the weather outside is frightful, it's good that here's cute inside. Cute. Oh, so cute. Are you kidding me? It's so cute, right? Looking cute, Nana. Looking cute. Such a good cute. Yep, that's cute too. Cute, lamb chop. So cute. It starts cute, but then gets even cuter. Did I leave you out? You're cute too. This whole corner is cute and yummy. Oh my goodness. Cute and yummy. Kitchen corner. Cute. Cute. Oh, you're so cute. You know how cute you are, don't you? He knows he's cute. Yep, we're gonna put the cute here. We hope you have a cute and cuddly holiday.